Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to see your Pinterest history. The process is really easy. Let's get straight to the point. So on your history, you'll see all of the photos and videos that you've seen. To see your history, first of all, open the app on your phone. Here's the homepage of Pinterest. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on the person's icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you reach your profile, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And from this menu, go to Settings. On the settings page under account information, you'll see the fourth option, which is Home Feed Tuner. Go ahead and tap on it. For now, we are on the boards page. If you tap on the option History at the top menu, you'll be able to see all of your history. I seldom use Pinterest, so only this picture is in my history. So in this way, you'll be able to see your history on Pinterest. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.